live test pH and chlorine, and here is scuba 2 chlorine pH tester. Switch on, or let's just start, and then close, and then we have to select 0 test first. And 1 second, let's put DPD. It's DPD tablet, DPD number 1. You can see here it's dissolving, and we can mix it also to fast dissolve. And then close the cap, and here we have to select mode, chlorine, select chlorine, and then raise test, and let's see. Uh, 2.1, so it means it's good. 2.1 at least, it's good, very good. So it should be between 2 to 3 as per pH standard. So far it's good. 2.1 it is good. And then we will switch off, and let's start to check pH. Switch on, and then little water, and wash cap also, and close, and then test it on 0. So okay, now it's 0. We have to take phenol red tablet, okay, to check pH. Here is phenol red. Yeah, here is phenol red. You can see phenol red tablet. You can see phenol red tablet inside. You have to mix it. Make sure it's mixed proper, and then close the cap again, and then we have to select here mode. Before we select chlorine, now we have to select pH. Some water. Now it's selected on pH, and then we will press test. Let's see the result. See, 7.9. So actually 7.9, 1 point is higher than recommended. Its maximum should be 7.8, between 7.4 to 7.8. So far it's good. Our reading is good, so no issue, but little bit pH, 1 point need to reduce. So this is the way how to test pH and chlorine, and it's very important to maintain swimming pool water and swimming pool. And here is our tablet, DPD and phenol red. And this is the equipment. There is switch off, and we throw water. It's a waterproof. It's very good equipment to test water and pH. So this is the name. Let's go back to. I hope